Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unfavorite your property on your Agoda's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To unfavorite your property on your Agoda's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Agoda application on your device. The home page of Agoda application will be displayed on the screen. From the home page, tap on Saved option at the bottom right corner of the page. Now on the next page, tap on red heart icon right next to the property option. It will unfavorite your property on Agoda's account in no time. This is how you can unfavorite your property on your Agoda's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.